Alright guys, here we go. Team selection, random, 1920 Prizm basketball, 5 retail box, half case. Technically half an inner, 5 retail boxes. Number 2 will be up in the store tonight or tomorrow whenever I get around to putting it up. We're going to do a couple of these. What's up, RSD? We're doing Prizm now. They're both kind of full. Well, they are full. We already did Bowman and Prizm's full. We're about to do it now. Unfortunately, sorry, my man. Alright, guys, here we go. Best of luck, best of luck. We'll roll 1 die for both randoms. So it's Danny B down to Joe Dubs. Danny B down to Joe Dubs. Let's roll. We're going 6. Teams on 6. Hawks to Wizards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. T-Wolves down to the Celtics. Pelicans are in the 23. T-Wolves to Celtics. 6 on the names. Danny B to Joe Dubs. 1. Good luck, good luck. 2. Lagging on me again. 3. Random.org slow tonight. That one's really slow. 3. Here comes 4. Wow. He's killing me. 5. There we go. And a lucky number 6. 23, Stephen K. In the 23, which I'm pretty sure was the Pelicans. Still other good teams, though. Hold on to any rookie silvers that you get. Hold them. Grade them and hold them. Stephen K down to Steve S on 6. 6. 6. 666. It said no one ever. I mean, do they have anybody? I mean, what? KD? You could hit a KD silver. That's alright. I don't know if they sell. I know LeBron stuff sells. I don't know KD. Alright, Hawks down to Wizards. Let's do it. California knows how to party. Josh H, you got the Hawks. Nice. Grizz to Joe Dubs. Nice. You know, Stephen K got the Pelicans. Come on, gloves. The Knicks to Steve S. Nice. Alright, guys, here we go. You got the same exact teams as last time. You got the Mavs. The Mavs are decent because you can hit Luka silvers. The Clippers aren't bad. I don't think. I don't know about the Jazz, though. Here we go to pack heaven or hell, I guess, depending how you look on it. You want to... We trading the Blazers for the Spurs is on the table. The Spurs are on the table. Oh yeah. You hit him the last one. Who has 3.8 points per game? Claxton? Woof. Nah, the Nets are hot, hot, hot. Any trades? Any trades? No one wants to trade. No one's trading. Josh H. not interested in the Spurs. Reggie Jackson silver for the Pistons. Admiral Schofield Wizards rookie. Ricky Rubio for the Suns, a red wave. PJ Washington insert for the Hornets. Derek Jones Jr. green for the Heat. Justin James Kings rookie. all these other teams for the Blazers. Main held all. Whoa, that was a crazy autocorrect. Capella for the Rockets, silver. Kobe White, rookie. Karl Malone, red away for the Jazz. Bitadze. How the fuck you say that guy's name? Doombaya, my lord, silver. A Kobe green for the Lakers. Jazz off the table. Nasir Little, rookie. A silver Kyle Guy for the Kings. Wow. Jesus. I want to go in there. Kyle Guy for the Kings. Our first rookie silver. There's a Ja base. Thibault, instant impact insert. Samanich, rookie. Nice, a Ja green for the Grizzlies. Good start for the Grizzlies. Good one. Morris for the Pistons, silver. Nick Claxton, rookie. Our auto is Daniel Gafford for the Bulls. Monk, Hornets, red wave. Got an RJ Barrett for the Knicks, rookie. Hachimura insert. Brandon Clark for the Grizzlies, rookie. Mike Scott, Sixers, silver. The 50 Cent all day. Kyrie insert. Jalen Noel, rookie for the T-Wolves. Okiki, instant impact. Bowl for the Nuggets. It's a Luka base. Dylan Windler insert for the Cavs. Silver Rudy Gobert for the Jazz. Terrence Mann, rookie. Jackson Hayes, rookie for the Pelicans. I know what you meant. I know what you meant. Although, is Gafford any good? I don't think so. Could be wrong. Four card packs. The fast break is nice. It has a few less packs. I think it's like 18 packs per box. It's not as bad. He has the same amount of cards, less packs. It's so weird that retail is the way to go in a product. It's just so backwards. People always clamor over hobby boxes, but retail is the way to go with this. For sure. Come on. I don't like holding multiple packs at once. It's harder. Well, looky, what we have here on the back, our first Zion base. Nice. First Zion base of the break. They're going for like 110 a box. So like 1,200. I think. About. No, maybe more than 1,200. 1320 something, so about what you paid, a little less. Akpala. Rookie. Batum for the Hornets, silver. Steph Curry, hyped. Baisley for the Thunder. Luka insert. Thibault for the Sixers. Scottie Pippen green for the Bulls. Pascal for the Warriors. Rookie. RJ Barrett inserts. Kim Olajuwon. Oh, 20 by a full case, a master. Inners 10, a 20. 20 is a master. So whatever, double that, I guess. Quinn Cook for the Lakers. Damn, you got a good price then if you got 20 for $13.75. You got, damn, how the hell did you get that price? Holy shit. You got that for 20 boxes? Doumbaya. That's insane. The hell did you get that? Draymond Green. Green for the Warriors. Yeah, but still. It still wasn't even... It still was going for more than that. Damn. You got that in Australia? Did you order, or did you order online from the U.S.? That's insane. Josh Richardson, silver for the Sixers. Alexander Walker for the Pelicans. Jason Kidd, red wave for the Nets. Ja inserts. Wow, I guess so. Cody Martin, rookie. Okiki inserts. Brook Lopez for the Bucks, silver. Come on, rookie silvers. Kurt Thomas for the Knicks. Steve S. with the Knicks. Jordan Bone for the Pistons. Rookie red wave. Jalen Hands rookie. Jackson Hayes, instant impact. Chris Paul, silver for the Thunder. A Hero, rookie for the Heat. Green LeBron James, NBA Finalist insert. Kevin Porter for the Cavs, rookie. DeAndre Hunter, rookie for the Hawks, green. Mikal Bridges for the Suns, silver. Come on, rookie silver. Darius Garland for the Cavs. Wiggins for the Timberwolves, red wave. Kyrie silver inserts. Hang on, I just gotta move these. Okay, next box. He doesn't even want a silver of his dude, for everyone's sake. That's nice of you. Don't waste on Claxton. I'm feeling his Zion, baby. Guy's a spud. What was the one Australian breaker I know? I think they're Australian. Cherry? You ever go there? Cherry? They do a lot of weird stuff though, Andrew. They do a lot of like Pokemon and shit. Way overpriced. Oh. I've just happened to see them. That's all. Go right on a couple packs nicely. Rui Silver. All right. We hit him the other day, a silver. Wow, $100 more per box. That's insane. That's crazy, and people pay it, huh? Jared Culver, Instant Impact Silver for the T-Wolves. Kyle Guy. Cam Reddish, insert for the Hawks. Gobert again for the Jazz, silver. Cam Reddish, insert. Okiki, rookie for the Magic. Green, Josh Richardson for the Sixers. Bruno Fernando for the Hawks. Sabonis, silver for the Pacers. And Onai for the Jazz. Alexander Walker again for the Pels. Bitadze, however you say this dude's name. Jordan Poole for the Warriors. Silver rookie. Is he any good? I'm not the biggest basketball guy, so I honestly don't know. Jordan Poole for the Warriors. There you go, Chad. Is a silver rookie. Honestly, I know even average players from last year, though, were going for money. They're going for like 50, 60 bucks. Average players. Rookies. He's not Nick Claxton. Lou Williams for the Clippers. Isaiah Roby for the Mavs. Red Wave rookie. Cody Martin, rookie for the Hornets. And we got a Kyle Guy, rookie penmanship auto for the Kings. Lucky Lou. Buddy Hield, Red Wave for the Kings. Got a PJ Washington, Hornets. Keldon Johnson, rookie for the Spurs. Hoyter for the Hawks or something like Herder. I don't know. Got the Magic stick. Jarrett Culver insert. A hero rookie for the Heat. A green Kemba Walker for the Ticks. Team color. I like that. Blake Griffin silver for the Pistons. Kevin Porter Jr. rookie for the Cavs. Kobe Red Wave. Nice. Darius Garland for the Cavs. Cameron Johnson, green rookie for the Suns. Baisley, rookie for the Thunder. That is box 3. Not bad, not bad. Alright, we're going to do both of these. The last two at once. Since it's so many packs for so little cards. I don't think he's here, David. But Steve S., if you want to sell that Kemba, that Kemba Walker green after the fact, let me know. David wants to buy it. know what? This doesn't have that smell that Prizm football did. That Prizm smell. It does a little bit. There's such a chemical smell off Prizm. Football had it nice this year. I started to really like it. I like fiend for it. But like, oh yeah, Prizm baby. Here comes our Zion Silver, baby. I want to hit one. Just want to hold one. Let's go. Big stuff. Dent, 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 dent. So David, have you been out Prizm hunting there in San Antonio? Try looking around there, see if you find any good stuff. I asked you before. I don't know if I missed you when if you said it, if you answered me. I always do that when I'm out other places. I always go look for limited shit I can't find around here. Okay, guys, last two boxes. Good luck. A hero green for the Heat. Nice. Kyle N. Nice hit. Silver Jaylen Brown for the Celtics. Willie McCauley-Stein for the Warriors. Red Wave. Ty Jerome, rookie for the Suns. Brazdeikis for the Knicks. Markelle Fultz for the Magic, green. DeMarcus Cousins for the Lakers, silver. Servetus for the Pistons. Anthony Hardaway, red wave for the Magic. Cam Reddish, rookie for the Hawks. Nice. Okiki inserts. Luka base. Dylan Windler, emergent. Cameron Johnson, rookie for the Suns. Wilt Chamberlain, green for the Lakers. Silver Brogdon for the Pacers. Weatherspoon, rookie for the Spurs. Bitadze, or however you say it, for the Pacers, silver inserts. Come on, silver rookie. Bruce Brown for the Pistons. Jackson Hayes inserts. Romeo Langford, rookie for the Celtics. Doumbaya for the Pistons. Aja insert for the Grizz. Karl Anthony Towns, silver for the Timberwolves. Okiki inserts. And Smolagic for the Warriors. Harry Giles, silver for the Kings. Cody Martin for the Hornets. Eric Gordon, red wave for the Rockets. Jordan Poole, emergent. A hero again, another rookie. The Heat getting all the heroes. Giannis insert. Justice Winslow for the Heat, silver. Kevin Porter Jr., rookie for the Cavs. Kobe White insert. A silver Darius Baisley for the Thunder, rookie. Jordan Poole, rookie. We have a Bob McAdoo, penmanship auto for the Braves. Is this a random? Or did they become another current team that I would go to? The Buffalo Braves. We'll look that up. Wesley Matthews, red wave for the Bucks. Man, this was the most uneventful one of these that we've had. Hachimura and a Tremont Waters rookie. Still have some more. I don't know why I thought we were done right there. Um, they're the Clippers now. All right, if that's correct, then it goes to the Clippers. Malcolm Brogdon, Red Wave. Okiki. Let's hit something here. Let's hit a big one. Let's go. Bruno Fernando. Okafor, silver for the Pelicans. Oh, nah. Hold on. We're not done yet. I thought we were done for some reason, but maybe we got something for you here, Josh. You never know. PJ Washington Jr. for the Hornets. Darius Garland. You know, just how it's going to go. We're going to have good days and we're going to have bad days. Josh Jackson for the Grizz, a green. Keldon Johnson. A silver Keldon Johnson for the Spurs. Rookie silver for the Kings. Wendell Carter Jr. Red Wave for the Bulls. A Kyle Guy rookie for the Kings. For the Celtics, ML Carr penmanship. ML Carr, Boston Celtics. Luka insert. Trae Young insert. Danny Green, silver for the Lakers. Doumbaya. Nice, a pink Pulsar. I don't know what they are. Pink something. Pulsar maybe. Kyle Guy for the Kings. Don't see that much out of this. 37 out of 42. Kyle Guy for the Kings. It's a hard hit in retail. Could you imagine if that was Zion? Stephen K would be coming here to hug me and pick it up. A Ja silver inserts. Harry Giles green for the Kings. Smolagic for the Warriors. LeBron inserts. Darius Garland rookie for the Cavs. Eddie Payton for the Knicks green. Jokic for the Nuggets. And that is the break. We'll put up another half for tomorrow. I have a feeling that one might be a little better. I don't know. We've done pretty well in these so far. I feel like we didn't hit as many silver rookies as we normally get. These do have the Not as much as the football smell. I just need to go pass out. Let's recap it here real quick. I need to finally sleep for a few hours. I have no sleep. All of this Bowman's killed me. I don't even know how I would do a multi-case break. Am I crazy? Alright. Just rookies in good color that I pull out. Silver. Green Hero. Green and Johnson. Kobe, Red Wave. Roby, Red Wave. Jordan Poole, Silver. I guess we still had a few silver rookies. DeAndre Hunter, green for the Hawks. A Bone Red Wave rookie. Kyle Guy, whatever this one's called, Pink Pulsar or something. 37 out of 42 for the Kings. A Ja Green for the Grizzlies. Nice one. Kyle Guy Silver. Kyle Guy break. Our one Zion base. Yeah, I want to get more of those hanger packs that I found. Those hanger packs were the best. If anybody sees those, buy them up. I'll buy them from you. Bob McAdoo for the... That is Clippers. I'm going to make... I don't trust you guys, but I'll look. ML Carr for the Ticks. Kyle Guy, rookie penmanship. Silver auto. Yeah, that one's a silver auto. Kurt Thomas for the Knicks. And Daniel Gafford for the Bulls. Thanks again for the fill, guys. Much appreciated. Let me look up that one real quick. For the Buffalo Braves. Now the Clippers. Yeah. Yep. Clippers. Clippers it is. Yeah, McAdoo is pretty cool. Alright, guys. We'll be back at it again tomorrow. The next case of draft is up in the store. Let's fill her up. Get it ready for filler action tomorrow. I gotta get some sleep. Thanks, guys. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I appreciate it. I'll put up another B-ball, too, in the morning. I just gotta go to bed. I just need sleep. Alright, guys. Thanks again, everybody. Appreciate you guys. See you tomorrow, 9